Hello, Group E. Welcome back to Halleujah Part 2. So, basically, in the first section, we learned this C major to A minor to C major to A minor to F to C to G. Okay, so that's as far as we got. So in this part 2, we're going to be going over the next part and hopefully wrap up the song completely so we can play it start to finish. Make sure you're in tune. I'll just go through my strings quickly. So our low E string, A string, D string, G string, B string, and E string. And if you're not in tune, watch the tuning video and then come back here to join us. Okay, so we've got all the same chords. Luckily, part 2 is all the same chords, but in a slightly different order. And remember we spoke last time about this song being on counts of 6. So normally, if we had a rock and roll song, it'd be counts of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so they're counts of 4. Whereas this song is counts of 6, and it sort of has this swaying motion. Makes you want to sway back side to side. Yeah? So it's got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As opposed to our 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So you can sort of feel the difference. One of them's a bit more, upbeat, and the other one makes you want to sway side to side. So groups of 6 can be broken up into groups of 3. So some chords last for 6 beats, some chords last for 3 beats. And that's going to happen a lot in part 2. Okay, so let's go through this. We've got our C major. Okay, so let's have a look at C major. We've got 1st fret B string, 2nd fret D string, and 3rd fret A string. Okay, so we've got 1st finger on the 1st fret, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, and then 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. That's the easiest way to play this chord. Okay, and we're going to strum from our A string. Great. And then we've got A minor, which is a really simple transition. If you remember before, all we do is take our 3rd finger and put it below like that. So this is C major, and then A minor, we're just going to put our 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Yeah, C, A minor. Great. And we've got a G, okay? So there's big G. So 3rd fret E string, 2nd fret A string, and then 3rd fret E string, and then all the other strings in the middle are open. Yeah? Or we can play easy G, or we just play from the D string, our G string, B string, and then our 3rd fret E string. Yeah? So big E, big G, little G. Okay, and then we've got an F chord, which is 3rd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, and 1st fret B string. Yeah? And if you can, hold down 1st fret E string as well, so we get this sound. But that's a bit tricky. So if your fingers aren't really long enough or don't have enough strength, you might find that hard. have a go. Otherwise, we can just play it. So version 1 F and version 2 F. Yeah? Okay, so there's our chords. So let's start with the structure. So we've just come out of part 1, okay, which sounds like this. So we've just come out of F, C major, to G. So that's as far as we get for part 1. And then we're going to go into part 2. So we're going to C major for 6 beats. Okay, then F major for 3, and then G major for 3, and then A minor for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then G major for 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then A minor for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we sort of start our chorus. So we got F, Hallelujah, and then A minor, Hallelujah, then F, Hallelujah, and then C, Hallelujah, to G, yeah, to C, to A minor, to C, and then to A minor. And then the song kind of repeats itself from section 1 there. So if you notice the last, at the end where I went C to A minor, that's basically the beginning of part 1. Yes, that's the way the song repeats itself. It uses that to get back into the beginning. So I'm just going to go over that again. Okay, so we've got C major, and then we've got F major for 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3, and then G for 3. 1, 2, 3. Or if you're playing little G, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and A minor for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we've got G major for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then A minor for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then our chorus starts. So we've got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a total of 12 beats. Then we've got A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now get a total of 12. Then we've got F again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, that's 12. And then we've got C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 6. And then G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 6. Okay, and then back to our beginning. C, A minor. 6 beats each. C, and then A minor. Great, that's really good. What I'm going to do now is put the chords up on the screen and play along, okay? And use the rewind to catch up on the chord shapes if you need to, and how long we play each chord. And in this part, we're just going to play it like a normal speed, okay, and all the way through, so you can hear how it sounds all together. So we're going to count this in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? If we counted it 1, 2, 3, 4, it's the wrong count, okay? Or if you went 3, 2, 1, go, that doesn't really work either. We have to count it the way we count the chords. So we're going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, C major, F major, G major, A minor, A minor, G major, G major, A minor, A minor, F major, F major, A minor, A minor, F major, F major, C major, G major, C major, A minor, C major, and then A minor, and then we finish on a C. Okay, or you can keep playing it through from part 1 and part 2. Okay, and then you can just do that for as long as you like, really, until the song's finished, and that is the whole song. So it's quite a tricky song, this one, but with enough practice you'll definitely get it. It's a really, really nice tune to play, and if you have played it and you can do it perfectly with a plectrum, okay, try putting the plectrum down and either using your thumb or your thumb and your fingers, and that will really teach you how to finger pick. Yeah, so it gives you a very different sound. But it's really worth getting that under, and obviously we'll go into that in more detail at some point. Okay, good luck, enjoy it, I'll see you soon.